Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can add Disney Plus to your smart TV. So if you want to add Disney Plus to your smart TV, you can open your Google Play Store and you can go to the top right corner on search and you can search for Disney Plus. So the first app is going to show up is going to be the Disney Plus. You can click on it, open it, and you can install it if you don't have it installed already. So after installing the application, you can simply click on open the application. And when you're going to open the application, you're going to see this loading screen. And after that, it is going to show you to log in. You can click on the login button and you can then sign in to your Disney Plus. So this is how you can add Disney Plus to your smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.